Hey, what's up? This is Antonio Thompson from AntonioRThompson.com. And I recently got back from ManyChat's annual conference, Messenger Conference, and wanted to share with you 7 of the most important updates that really matter to you most. These are going to help you grow your business, communicate with your customers, generate more leads, more sales, and obviously make an impact in the world. Now, the first update is a very small update, but a big update, right? It's an update to the ManyChat dashboard. The new update provides some additional data on your dashboard. So you can see here we still have a number of subscribers, unsubscribes, and net subscribers, right? But if you scroll down some more, you have your active subscribers, the language of most of your subscribers in the bot, the gender of your subscribers in your bot, most recent subscribers, and then you can see all of your content, right? How many flows you have, how many growth tools, how many sequences, if you're running any ads, any trigger words or keywords. You can also on the right-hand side see any of your latest modified flows, right? So I can click on a flow here. It'll open it up inside of the flow builder. If I go back to dashboard, I can also from this screen here rename the flow, duplicate the flow, share this flow, copy to another page, and also delete the flow. The second update is the release of ManyChat's mobile application. Now, this is only available for iOS, and here's what it looks like. So you're gonna go to the Apple Store and install ManyChat, but I'm gonna open up the app here. Here it is, and we're connected to the GTOT demo page, and you can see I have no conversations in my inbox. But if I go to my done inbox, and let's say I open up chat here, continue conversation, I can click on and make this bigger actually. I can click on the paperclip, I can send a photo, right? I could click on the 3 dots on the right hand side here and mark this conversation as done, assign it to myself. I can see my user profile, which is here. I can see my tags and user profile, the sequences I'm subscribed to. I can also add myself to other sequences by clicking on the plus sign here, right? I can remove myself from sequences. I can add tags by clicking the pencil here and just adding tags, right? I can pause automation, right, directly in the mobile application. And if I click the 3 dots at the top right, I can subscribe myself from the bot. And I hit done, and that's the mobile application. The third update is the ability to connect all your posts on your business page to a growth tool, right? So imagine that you're doing a Facebook Live every week. And every week people are commenting, right? Sharing value, sharing tips, and saying they want more information, right? You can connect all those comments underneath one growth tool and get them into your bot and engage with them in a conversation. Pretty powerful stuff. Let me show you how to set this up. All right, so to set this up, you're gonna go to growth tools here on the right, or left rather. Click on new growth tool at the top right. We're gonna give the growth tool a name. So we'll say all posts. And we're gonna select the Facebook comments growth tool. And where it says on the new settings, this growth tool will work with specific posts or all posts. We'll click on all posts, and that's it. You can still track only first level comments. You can decide how quickly do you want to send a message out after they comment. You can use certain keywords, exclude them or include them, and then you hit save, go to next, and proceed with creating your growth tool. And that's it. The fourth update, you know how people enter your bot and they don't do what you want them to do, like they don't click on buttons? Well, and they type stuff, right? This update actually allows you to send a flow in live chat to get people back on track, right? So if people are writing stuff instead of clicking buttons, you can just send them a flow and get them back on track. Here's how you basically would do that inside of ManyChat. And so to send a flow directly from live chat, you're gonna go into live chat. Let's find a user. And here I am. And I'm just gonna go ahead and scroll down, continue the conversation here in the center here. And there's a smiley face for emojis. Next to it is the ability to send a flow to a user. So I'm gonna click on the send flow to a user. I'm just going to select the flow I want to send. Let's send this one and send. And now that flow is going to be sent to me, and there it is. There's the flow. And that's it. Update number 5 involves collecting money directly inside of ManyChat. Now, for quite some time, Stripe has been the only payment processor that you could use. Well, that changes today, right? Because you're watching this video today. That changes because now you can actually integrate PayPal into ManyChat. I'll show you how to do that right now. Setting up PayPal integration. So to do that, you're simply going to go to settings here on the left-hand side. You're going to click on payments right here. Scroll down where it says connect PayPal account. Click on this link here. How can I find needed client ID? Click on this. Read through all this and follow the instructions to connect your PayPal account to your ManyChat account. It's that simple. Updates number 6 and 7 are so big, I got a video from ManyChat to explain how awesome and amazing these 2 new updates are just for you. Check it out here.
In 2016, we introduced messenger marketing, and the results spoke. Higher engagement, amazing ROI, and much happier customers. Now we're taking messenger marketing one step further. No more app hopping. No more wasted time. Send a Facebook message, or a text, or an email without ever leaving Flow Builder. All of your outreach, one visual interface. Welcome to the new era of marketing. ManyChat.
Pretty powerful and exciting, right? SMS and email marketing directly inside of ManyChat. So although Facebook released, some new updates to the policy that kind of limits, how often you can send messages to your subscribers, right? With SMS and email marketing, if you're able to re-engage your subscriber using those channels, you can get them back into Messenger and reset that 24-hour period. So pretty powerful. So I hope this video was helpful and valuable. If it was, definitely let me know in the comments and let me know, what update are you most excited about? Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell above to be notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.